Now I will populate Google Sheet, my Google Sheet by Facebook leads. Let's create in Zapier new Zap. I'll choose Facebook leads, event new lead. I'll choose my Facebook account. And now I'll test Facebook new lead trigger. Great, I have received the data from Facebook leads. It's test data, as you can see. And now I'll choose Google Sheet. I need to create a spreadsheet row. I'll choose my Google account and my Google Drive and my spreadsheet. Worksheet. And in row name, I'll put name data, full name data, and in row email, I'll put email data. Let's test the action. As you can see, my spreadsheet is totally empty. Now I click the button test action. Oh, here we go. The spreadsheet was automatically populated. Thank you.